What's up, YouTube? This is JrVargasm from this channel, JrVargasm. I'm gonna show you guys how to do. I don't know, some older cars like mine have the clear starting to peel, and you can take it to a paint shop, but that's expensive. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this in in gloss black, and it's gonna get rid of all of this. You're gonna need some sandpaper. I usually do like 4,000 grit or 400 grit, and then go finer from there and smooth it out clean. And then from there you can just wrap it. Super cheap, inexpensive, and same thing for the roof I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna show you guys this. I mean, this is, a lot of people have this issue, but I know a lot of people don't think this works, but I mean, that hood was really peeling bad. Sanded it, put some 3M Galaxy Black, looks sick in the sun, but I don't think it's dusty anyway. So okay, now that I got it somewhat smooth, it's actually not rough at all, but now you're gonna hit it with some 800 and really get it smooth. And see, I'm not doing the whole piece because that paint's good. Once you lay vinyl, no more clear is gonna peel. And I know this because I already done the other side. So, and that was like 6 months ago, and it's so perfect. I believe the last thing I always do is 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. But once you do that, though, you'll be ready to go. And I mean, I guess you could tape off. This is actually already vinyl wrapped because I already did it. And that's on the trunk, and the trunk was equally as bad. And the roof's shitty too, so I'm about to do that. But yeah, you could tape it off, I guess, or pull it off, either, whatever. But I mean, I'm wrapping this, so I don't really mind because I'm going to sand it the same way anyway because it's shitty too. Okay, so I finished sanding my roof. Super smooth. This is the pillar, super smooth as well. Just cleaned it. You could probably wrap it on here, but I like to tuck my hind real easy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. That should be the next step. But you can tell it's smooth. I could probably have done a better job. I mean, it looks rough, but it's actually really smooth. But yeah, it's my drift car, so I don't have to worry about it.
I fucked your bitch at the techno show, ayy, yeah. I'm moving packs at the techno show, ayy, yeah. My wrist so flashy like a techno show, ayy, yeah. I brought my tech inside the techno show, ayy, yeah. I fucked your bitch at the techno show, ayy, yeah. I'm moving packs at the techno show, ayy, yeah. My wrist so flashy like a techno show, ayy, yeah. I brought my tech inside the techno show. I fought your bitch at the techno show. All black like a funeral.
Alright, it didn't take me this long, I had to go work. But yeah, I finished it up tonight. I came into the car wash to wash it for you guys, so I can show you how clean that looks. I wish I could have been in the day, but that's the roof. It's pretty good, I feel like. Could have done a better change on, but too lazy to get too in depth. It's a drift car, so it's worried about it. But yeah, I already done my hood. Thing looks pretty sick. So yeah, guys, if you want to do a cheap clear repair, vinyl's the way to go. If you're in Oklahoma, hit me up. I'll do it for you. Alright, peace. See you on the next vid.